Hello, my name is Sonia, and today we're going to learn this stitch pattern. So it's like a mesh stitch pattern, and it's really easy. So I've just worked a couple rows right there. So to work this stitch, you're going to need to chain a multiple of 4 plus 2. So anything dividable by 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. And then you would add 2, that would be 18. So we're going to do, I guess I'm going to chain 12 and then I'm going to add 2. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, so we know that works, and then we're going to add 2, so I need to chain 14. So I'm going to do that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have our 14 chains. We're going to single crochet in the first chain. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we need to skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to single crochet in the 4th chain. So we're going to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain. And we're doing this all the way across. So I'm chaining 5 again. And 1, 2, 3, and then I'm single crocheting in my last chain. So that's our setup row. So for row 2, you're going to chain 1, you're going to turn. So we're going to single crochet in the very same stitch, and we're going to single crochet in the chain 5 space. So you just work right around that guy, work your single crochet like that. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So we already worked in this one. We're going to skip our single crochet and we're going to work in the next chain 5 space. So we're going to chain 5 again. And we're going to single crochet in the next chain 5 space. And then single crochet in our very last single crochet. So row 1, we had 3 chain 5 spaces, and for row 2 you have 2. So now we're going to work our 3rd row. We're going to chain 1, turn, single crochet in the same stitch. We're going to chain 5, and we're going to single crochet in the next chain 5 space. We're going to chain 5, and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Now we're going to finish out this row. You're going to chain 5. We're going to skip the next single crochet and single crochet in the very last single crochet. And you're going to repeat row 2. So for this stitch pattern, you're going to continue to repeat rows 2 and 3. So I'm chaining 1. We'll work a few more rows, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5. This is a pretty fast stitch pattern. You can make like a really cool lacy like scarf, you know, like maybe a summer scarf. or one of those mesh bags. I would recommend using a cotton yarn for that. You can incorporate this stitch with a lot of neat things. So we're going to chain 1, and then the next we're working a row 3. We're not on row 3, but we're working the row 3 because you're repeating row 2 and 3 for the stitch pattern. So going to chain 5. For row 3, you single crochet in the same stitch, chain 5, and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So probably an easy way to remember is your odd row is going to have one more chain 5 space. So here's row 1, 1, 2, 3. Row 2 we have 2. Row 3 we have 3, 1, 2, 3. And there you go. And that's how you work that stitch pattern. Thank you so much for watching.